chill when he bathes. Betty's naked, Bam Bam's in trouble. It's just another day in the life of the Rubbles.
Bam Bam's gonna kill me with those weights!
Barney, please. It's too early for this.
Has he even looked for a job? Or is he planning on living at home all his life?
He's looking.
Or so he says. Where the hell is he?
I spent all afternoon baking this for the charity fair tomorrow. If anyone touches it, I'll kill him. Who was it?
Next time on the Rubbles.
Guess what? Barney's out with Fred, and tomorrow's our anniversary. I bet he's buying me something.
Oh, of course. And they gave us the same old excuse. Bowling.
It's just another day in the life of the Rubbles.